Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bowmaker, and today I'm going to show you how to make this adorable little patriotic basic bow. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is take my Bowdabra bow wire. I'm going to cut a piece long enough so that I can fold it in half and lay it into the mini Bowdabra. And I have the Bowdabra tool and ruler on here to help me make sure that my loops are the right length. So the first thing I'm going to do is take my red. I'm going to do a little mountain in the middle here. We do that always with our hair bows because it gives it a really nice crease. So again, I'm going to do a little mountain, so it's just a little crease in the middle. And as I put it down into the Bowdabra, you can see it kind of forms a gully on either side of the mountain. So we're going to just put that down in there. And I'm going to do exactly the same thing with this one, with my little mountain in the middle, and make it a little bit longer. And then I'm going to fold this back over and make sure, let's see how big this loop is. It goes to about 2.5 inches, or no, I'm sorry, 2.25 inches. So I want to make sure that this one is 2.25 inches too. And then I'm going to do my little mountain in the middle and make sure it's 2.25 inches, which it is. Pull this down here, pull this one down there, and then actually it's not 2.25 inches because we like to have our loops for our hair bows to be exactly the right size. And then here, because everybody wants matching loops in their hair bows, and we're just going to take my little Grograin Croaker Ribbons and lay those down in here. So it's kind of a fun patriotic look. And then I'm going to take my mini Bowdabra wand, give everything a good scrunch, take my Bowdabra bow wire and pull this through my slip knot, pull it tight while it's still in the Bowdabra. I'm going to pull it out, separate the ends, bring it around to the back, tie a knot, and I'm going to double knot it. And then what I'm going to do is tie it onto a ponytail holder or an alligator clip. So we'll just put this down here. I'm going to cut this here so you can see, but I would, before I cut it, I would tie it onto either a clip or a ponytail holder. And I'm just going to clip this a little bit shorter and shape out my bow. So we'll shape the loops. Bring these down, bring this one down, and you have an absolutely adorable patriotic hair bow. And please don't forget to follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we'll see you in the next video.